T6. We're going to solve exponential equations using natural logarithms. Now, the reason that we're going to use natural logarithms is because of the e and because where the x is. If you're solving, the main goal is to get x by itself. But because the x is in the exponent, you just can't multiply, divide, add, or subtract. You've got to be able to get the x down first. And because the bases are e's, natural log undoes the e. So what you're going to do, you're going to natural log both sides. And when you do that, the natural log and the e cancels out, and you're just left with the x in this problem by itself. And then you grab your calculator and do natural log 3. And we're rounding to the nearest thousandths, which would be 3 decimal places. So 1.099. Oops. 9. Okay. Okay, we're going to natural log both sides again. The natural log and e cancel out, so we're left with natural log 5 equals 3x. And to get x by itself, we're going to divide by 3. And that is what we're going to put into the calculator, is natural log 5 divided by 3. And it's 0.536. Natural log 9 equals natural log e to the 2x minus 1. Those cancel out. Natural log 9 equals 2x minus 1. So we're going to do natural log 9 plus 1 equals 2x, because we've got to get the x by itself, so we add 1 to both sides. Then we're going to divide by the 2 to get x by itself. And you can plug that right into the calculator just like that and do natural log 9 plus 1 divided by 2. 1.599. Now, if you're at home and you are using your iPhone, you would turn it sideways, and your keystrokes would be, the first thing would be hit 9, then you'd hit the LN button, then you hit the plus button, then you hit the 1 button, then equals, then divide by 2 equals. And that should be the keystrokes to be able to get 1.599. Just like on this one, if you're using your phone, it's backwards, so you go 3 and then natural log, and then it automatically does 1.099. Okay, so on this is the term that has the x in it. This term is on the same side of with the x, but it's not with the x, so we have to get it, we have to move it. Then we natural log 7, and we natural log e to the x. The natural log and e's cancel out, so we're left with natural log 7. So natural log 7 is 1.946. 1.946. This is the term with the x in it. So we have to move the 1 first. Then we natural log. Those cancel out, and I'm left with 4x equals natural log 5. Then we divide by 4. Then we plug it into the calculator. Natural log 5 divided by 4. 0.402. Okay, so let me go back. So on these, we're reading our instructions and it's saying round. On these, we're leaving it in simplest form. We aren't going to use our calculators. We're not going to be doing any rounding. Okay, so so we natural log e to the x. We natural log the 5. Those cancel out. X equals natural log 5, and that's what you're going to put into the computer. This x, the 4 is with the x this time, right? So we're not going to add 4 to both sides because the 4 isn't with the exponent. So we're going to natural log e to the x minus 4 equals natural log 3. Those cancel out. We're left with x minus 4 equals natural log 3. Then we're going to add 4 to both sides. But again, this 3 is not just 3, it's natural log 3. So the 4 will not be able to be added to the 3. It's not going to be natural log 7. It's going to be natural log, and then you'd put the 3 in parentheses and the 4 on the outside, and that's all you do. Natural log e to the 3x minus 3 equals natural log 79. 3x minus 3 equals natural log 79. If I'm going to get the x by itself, then I'm going to add this 3 first. And what we could do, it would be plus 3, right? Or a positive 3. I could put that positive 3 in front so you don't get as confused. And then we would divide by 3. I think the computer will take this. If it doesn't, then it's going to want us to simplify, and the 3 over 3 reduces to 1, but the natural log 79 does not reduce with the 3, so the 3 would still stay on bottom with that term. I think it will take the top, but if it doesn't, that's why, and it wants the bottom. All right, ask me any questions.